Okay, so I have been meaning to jump on here and show you our Scentsy Club order that just came in last week, actually a few days ago, but I've been so busy I haven't had a chance to show you yet. So a couple things, just in case you're not familiar with Scentsy Club. We absolutely love Scentsy Club. We actually have a couple of them, full confession. One that comes every 3 months, and that has discontinued scents in it, which is one of the benefits to Scentsy Club. So Scentsy Club gives you Scentsy bars that are going away or have gone away in the past. When they are back temporarily and then leave again, you can throw them in Scentsy Club, and Scentsy will actually keep making them for life. And so super cool. So we have a different Whiffbox, or excuse me, a different Scentsy Club that order comes with. This particular one comes with my next favorite thing that you can get with Scentsy Club, and you can only get in Scentsy Club, and that is the bricks. I love the bricks. They are the huge, when I first started in 2010, they actually had a whole bunch of these and they use these all the time. But then I think what happened is this is a lot of wax, and not everybody wants to use a lot of wax. And so they realized they didn't need every scent in this big, ginormous one. And so they stopped making them, but then they brought them back. Now you can get a few select scents. And this one, Perfectly Pomegranate, was the absolute very first one that we fell in love with in 2008 when we first found Scentsy before we started selling. And oh my gosh, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. This is seriously one of my favorite scents ever, and you cannot order the scent except through Scentsy Club, and you get it in this ginormous brick. And I actually cut these in half or in fours. If it's for a mini warmer, I'll do it in fours. If it's for a big warmer, I will do half. Or if I'm just being lazy and I'm like, I got so much of it, I'll throw a whole cube in. Because most of our big warmers, you can fit a whole one of these in, and it's no problem. So in fact, if you look at the bottom of the dish of a lot of the warmers, at least in the last few years, they've put a number on it, and it tells you how many cubes you can put in it. So if it says 4, then that's what I consider this, 4 cubes. So that is that. So we got a whole bunch of bricks. We got Luna, Perfectly Pomegranate, Sea Salt and Avocado, and which is another scent you cannot get except for in the brick. And same with Skinny Dippin' also. And also one of our favorites. Oh my gosh, so good. So those are the clubs we got. But what I wanted to show you also was the Whiffbox for this month. So if you're not familiar, and years ago we used to do these completely on our own, and Scentsy finally started making them, and so we stopped doing them, and I really just need to push them more because I had a lot of customers that really loved getting a mystery Scentsy box. But we stopped doing them personally. And so I want you guys to know, all my customers who used to love getting our mystery boxes, Scentsy does them now for me so that I don't have to create them, and they are phenomenal. So let me show you this month. If you order, so just fair warning, this is your sneak peek. If you wanting a surprise and you don't want to know what's inside, stop watching now and just message me and I will help you order it. But if you want a sneak peek before you order it to know, do I really want that box? Am I going to really want it? You're going to want this one. I have already kind of seen it, and so I'm excited to finally just like see it in person. So, okay, let's look. We've got all kinds of goodies here. So first it's going to come with this like really adorable little sheet here that just says it's a Scentsy Whiffbox. It's super cute. Gives you kind of all the things. And then, oh my gosh, check this out. So look, you're going to get, so I haven't posted yet because I'm just absolutely terrible, but they just came out with this Disney pack of 6 bars that you can order. That's all the little like love. I should post them. They're super adorable. They're like the cute little couples of, you know, Disney. And let's see. Oh, this is good. So this is one of the scents that comes with it. This one is Together Forever. Look at that, Mickey and Minnie. So good. I'm really bad with scents. I need James around, and he's not home from work yet. And so he can't, but usually he can smell it and be like, this is what's in it and that's what's in it. I'm really terrible at that. But it smells good. It's a good one. You're also going to get, oh, this is another new one. Magnolia and Vanilla Woods. Okay, let's see. And I probably should have, oh. Okay, I like this one. I definitely like this one. Okay. And then let's see what else. I hear barking. That must mean James is home. So let me hear. Ooh, body wash, Starburst Sky. Oh, I'll have to open this later to smell it. But look, a body wash, super cute. Okay, but then this is really, to me, although I do love those scents as well, this is the reason to get the Whiffbox. This Soaring Hearts mini warmer. You cannot get this unless you get the Whiffbox. It is not available to order except through the Whiffbox. And let's check it out. Okay, so this is going to be a mini warmer. It's going to have a base and a night light. A little ring there. Okay, oh my gosh, look how cute this is with all the little hearts. Isn't that adorable? And this is going to be gorgeous glowing when you light this up. I can just imagine. Unfortunately, I don't have a flashlight right here, so I can't show you, but this is going to be so pretty. Look how cute these little hearts are. And I don't know if you can tell, but look, like they're... And so then in this, you just put 1 cube in this. And then you can, or like if you have those bricks I was showing you a minute ago, like break it into 4, and then you just put 1 of those in here. And just in case you haven't ever heard me say, you can easily clean any of your warmers out with cotton balls or with our Scentsy cotton cleanups. You just put them right in. It soaks all the wax up and you throw it out. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a fabulous Tuesday night. And I just wanted to pop on and show you our Scentsy Whiffbox and club order. And let me know if you want more information. The benefits on the club: you get 10% off once you reach $35 in sales, and you get discounted shipping. So it's totally worth doing. There are no fees to sign up, no fees to cancel. You can do it however you want to do with it and make it every month, every other month, or every 3 months. If you need to skip, you can skip. There's all kinds of benefits with it. Once you do $60 in sales, you actually get a half price item. So I like to do that. Because actually it's the only way that you can get this Whiffbox half off. And that's what I did. I got this Whiffbox half off and my bricks for 10% off, and I got discount shipping. So super amazing deal. Scentsy Club is awesome. Whiffbox is totally worth it. This is $35 for a Whiffbox, and it is worth, I don't remember the value, but way more than that, because this alone is $25. And then you had 2 wax bars. One was a Disney bar and the other one. So it's got to be over $40 in value. Probably more than that. I can let you know later. But anyways, check out the Whiffbox. Check out Scentsy Club. If you have any questions, message me, comment, let me know, and I will be happy to help you guys. Hope you're having a great night. Talk to you later. Bye.